Hi, I'm Carson from SONAX Canada. Today we're working on a 1972 Mercedes-Benz 250c. This is single stage paint. When you're polishing and you're debating if it's single stage or not, as soon as you start polishing, your pad goes blue, the color of the car, you know it's single stage. Very porous paint. So today we're using a Perfect Finish. Perfect Finish was designed for the Mercedes assembly line, so it's only fitting we use this product on this car today. If you're looking for SONAX Perfect Finish or other great car care products from SONAX, go to sonaxcanada.com.